50 Shopee coins, just press order received. But before you do that, make sure your payment was cleared and you got zero balance in your Meralco account. It takes 24 to 48 hours to reflect your payment in your Meralco account. This is a must, because as you notice, once you press order received, a pop-up message will appear, stating, "I confirm I have received the product and accept their condition." There is no return or refund after I confirm. Things to remember. This is applicable only to Meralco Postpaid worth 1,500 pesos and above. For one-time use only. This is valid only for Meralco Postpaid bill only. Valid for Shopee Pay purchase only. Voucher is valid only for 1 month after purchase. Please check voucher before expiry. If you cannot avail the Meralco Coins cashback voucher in flash deals, you still get cashback by using the code on Shopee Bill's payment page. Hope you learned, guys. Thank you for watching.